So my bike totally sucks, and that's exactly the reason why I love it. Okay, woke up this morning. I was gonna make a new video, had a super exciting topic for you guys, but I'll keep that a secret until the end of the video here. But I pulled my bike out of the garage and I took it on the street. I started doing my normal routine to get it started, and then all of a sudden the bike wouldn't start. I kicked it over a good 10-15 times and it wouldn't go. And then I realized, or at least I noticed, it seemed like the neutral light was very dim, flickering. I looked closer and then it wasn't even on. So I figured the battery is probably dead. So I took it back. I checked the voltage and it was at 8.6, 8.7, 8 and change basically, which is obviously way too low, right? It should be around 12.6-ish. So we're charging it right now, and it could be a number of different things because I just rode it 200 miles and it wasn't stop and go. It should have been miles that were charging the battery. I'm thinking it could be the regulator rectifier, it could be loose terminals, it could be bad connections, it could be electrical power getting drawn somewhere else, maybe bad grounds, a bad alternator maybe, and that's what I can think of at the moment. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to fully charge the battery. We're going to test out what the voltage is. We're going to stick it back in the bike. Hopefully the bike turns on, and then we're going to test the voltage while the bike runs. We're going to see if it has higher voltage than 12.6. It should be 13-14 volts, right? So I'll see you when this thing is done charging. All right. Okay, so it's been about 10 hours. I was a little nervous about the charging of this because it wasn't showing above 12.6 while it was actually charging. After checking multiple times, it was slowly creeping up, 12, 12.2, 12.3, right? You get the picture. So eventually it got above 12.6. We hit the full charge, as you saw, or as you were seeing. Now let's come over here. Haley, if you could be so kind as to, okay, let's just mull it out really quick. Here we go. 12.57. Not totally ideal. It's 0.03 away from what we are desiring, but that's not the worst thing in the world. So what we're gonna do is wait about 30 minutes and we're gonna check again. So because it's 12.00 something, it needs to be higher than 12.6 in order to charge the battery. So the regular rectifier might be broken. Let's try it one more time. Give the engine a little rev. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right. Okay, it's the morning now. That was last night. So I checked the battery again this morning, and it was at 12.37 volts. So it's not the worst for a battery that was at 8.7 volts and overnight discharged just a little bit. Obviously, what you saw, the bike was running and it was not at a high enough voltage for it to be charging the battery. That's why the battery is probably dying over that period of time. So the most likely issue is going to be the regulator rectifier. We're going to check that, and we're also going to check the stator with the multimeter. Just make sure those components are working properly. And if it's not that, then it could just be a bad ground somewhere, so we'll double check that as well. We'll get back to you on this stuff. Also, you did probably notice the brake light was flickering, so when I press and depress the rear brake, the brake light works properly. I already fixed that. And for some reason, at idle, it's jiggling the trigger, the electrical trigger, just slightly, so the brake light's coming on and off. It's probably just a small adjustment, so I'll look into that too. So obviously this is a total pain in the ass, and I'm sure a lot of you would just say sell the bike and, you know, get a new one that's more reliable, yada yada yada, or whatever. And I understand the sentiment, but you know, it's just a part of what makes it special. It's a part of the humanness of the bike, if you will. Not every day is perfect, and I think a lot of like motorcycle stuff, it makes it seem like every day is perfect, and it's not the case. So this is basically a video to show you that it truly is. You know, not every day is going to be super special. Some days you're just going to be fixing the battery and using a multimeter and checking stuff. So it makes it fulfilling to work on the bike. And then once you're finished, you know, doing that hard work, the reward is to be able to ride it and enjoy that experience. So stay tuned. We'll keep going on this. So for those of you that don't know, always connect or disconnect the positive. Go through the positive, right? So you don't get electrocuted. Just making sure, because some people don't know. No, I'm just kidding.